Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Postal Market Analysis. Today is a Wednesday, July 24th, 2024. Right now it's at 10:18 p.m. So first a look at the move of today. So this morning, we certainly should start from last night. Last day evening, at 6 o'clock, futures are open, and it's this opening bar is actually pretty wide and have been chopping around, and overnight it showing clear sign kind of broke down, and it broke down, came down to here, and then but it's not able to come back to the middle. And actually this one is a what I call a base, so it touched the base down here, so it come basically it's like a 20 points away from the close, and going further down here, and by here is like from the top to bottom is move like the about 34 points. So that's kind of the range that that SP 500 moved yesterday, and apparently it's an important level. So once it get to deal, and it come back, and as we can see here, this base level here is also pretty important. This is the level that coming down from the closing by that much, and then it also sort of like a pretty important level as well. It also bounced back a lot, and again this level, it's been chopping around, but it's not seems not able to go back above this opening zone. And later it broke down here, and this is the level kind of from top to bottom is the full range of the previous day, the futures movement. So apparently this is also a pretty important level, and the market can get down a bit, but not that whole lot, and so later it just go back above here a little bit, and then kind of like crashing down. And of course, looking back, it looks all crystal clear. Yeah, it's coming back down pretty hard. And if you're coming over to the S&P 500 on this side, the future actually gapped down. Gapped down like basically 50 points, and it went down to this base 5504, and later looking at this 17 points size, it went back down here and hit that edge again, and then touch another the second base down here, and it's pretty much is keep making that kind of move, hit the base, hit the edge, and come back a little bit, and this one don't even come back, so that's a very bad sign, and keep touching another base and come back down here and come back, but it was not able to come back to the previous base. And this is like after 2 o'clock it hit another base down here, repeating the pattern, kind of hitting the edge again and hitting the base again, and this is kind of like pretty much this making like a 34 points move after 12 o'clock from the high after the 12 o'clock to here, and so this is also a very important level, and it went back a lot, but it's not strong enough to kind of reach the reach this cyan level here, and later slam down. And actually, if we look at here, 54.45 to here, and it move more than certain another X here. So so actually, if we look at here from 54.45 to 54.19, the total range from here to here is like that's 25 points. So that's already a big move, and by the close it was able to come back a little bit. Not, I mean, compared to how much today dropped, like over 130 points. It's rare to see such kind of move historically, and yeah, this is kind of a really severe market drop, and it come back to kind of close at 42.27. It's about actually less than 10 points away from the low. So where to go from here, and it's just so future it looks pretty kind of positive in terms of open, and but the thing is it's pretty choppy. It seems like it looks bullish to me, at least for now. It's kind of chopping around, but was able to go above the opening zone, and right now it went back down and touched here, and this is kind of like a pattern, looks like more like a be able to hold up and can go up here. So but tomorrow probably going to be interesting, and it could move like about 44 points or 50 points ish. So with that said, if we say 44 points, that would be 42 44 points, so for would be 54.70 ish. So that would mean a lot. So if we're going back that much, but it's possible that it could move that much, and like before, kind of resuming to the downward, and but it could be only be able to come back by about 22 points, and then it will be kind of resuming the downward move again, and that yeah. With that said, this could be like in terms of future, it may go back above to 54.95 ish. So it may go to this 54.97 ish, this level. That could be the top, and market may not be able to go above there. If it could keep going up, then it could go another 20 points. That would mean it could go back to this 55.23 ish. In terms of calendar, so tomorrow Thursday is going to be have first one have the going to have a GDP data coming out, and like lots of durable good orders and jobless claim, and also have a core PCE data, and yeah, PCE data, and that's one important thing at 8:30, and then at 10:30 there's a natural gas inventory, and 11 o'clock have the composite index from Kansas Fed, and 11:30 has 4 weeks and 8 weeks Treasury bill auctions, and 12 o'clock have 15 years and 30 years mortgage rate information, and 1 o'clock has the 7-year no auctions, and after the market close it has a Fed balance sheet data come out. So that's the calendar for tomorrow, Thursday, and we'll see. Market probably going to take a break and breathe, and then decide whether, and then look back and see whether that's overdone or probably not, still not enough, and we shall see. It should be calm more tomorrow, but I guess still we are looking at probably 40 or 50 points ish. Likely it will be about 44 points tomorrow, so we shall see. Thank you. Wish you all the best. May the energy be with you all time. Thank you.